It's just another normal day, and, well, let's see how my channel is doing.
A few moments later.
Wow, your safe video got to 2.2k views already. That's great. But what? The last time I uploaded was half a year ago. Well, I better start making another video.
Hello everyone, what is up? It's the Random YouTuber 2016 here. So, well, you saw the intro. I haven't uploaded in about half a year probably. So I'm just gonna do a quick video now. So, as you can see, I've got some random 3D printed stuff lying around. A lithium battery pack and a mutilated four-wheel drive car with a wonky looking wheel. So I'll explain everything later on. But yes, so today we're going to be testing out the disc, vertical spinning disc that I 3D printed, for my future combat robot, BattleBots, sort of, something like that. I'm probably gonna build a chassis for it. So here it is. Here is the disc. As you can see, it's a disc with two teeth, so it will say stay balanced, because I still don't know how to make unbalanced discs. But before we actually start destroying stuff, let's see how fast it spins first. So let's do this. 3, 2, 1. So, looking at the tachometer I have held the reading, it's about 5,000 RPM, and well, that's probably because I put about 8 to 9 volts inside the in the battery, so that's why the blade is spinning that quickly. So yes. I tested this blade a while ago, and it's actually pretty powerful. So, without much ado, let's show some slow-mo footage of it destroying stuff. Well, so my disc broke. Well, while I was using the disc to hit this, like, cover cap of a water bottle, this tooth started cracking, and then when I tested it another time off camera, it just flew off. So, well, now forget this. So now I have my other weapon attached. It's a bar,
which is cracked.
David. So it's a bar spinner, but since it's so much heavier than the disc, and the gear ratio is only 1 to 3.5, so it's not as powerful as this. But we still have some 3D printed stuff that we can mutilate. So let's do that now. So, well, after my first yellow disc broke, I printed another one, as you saw just now, and here it is. So, well, let the slow-mo recommence.
It broke.
So I hope you guys enjoyed those slow-mo videos, but well, once again, while I was playing with the spinner off camera, I, well, broke the disc again. Which side is it? Ah, here it is. I broke the disc again on the very same water bottle cap that I broke my first spinner on. So yeah, now we call this the cursed water bottle cap. So, but yes, I hope you enjoyed those slow-mo videos, and feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace off.